centers, to be in law enforcement, we have prevention, we've done it all.
Healing in the Hood's OPS, Opioids, Prescription Drugs, and Synthetics Coalition, held a meeting on Wednesday at Arkansas Northeastern College in Blytheville to spread awareness about the effects of opioids and the efforts being made towards drug prevention.
We formed that coalition because a lot of our young people look at each other as ops, but really that's not the ops. The drugs that they're putting in their bodies is the ops and cause them to do the things that they do towards one another.
The event featured several presentations, including one from Nina Watson, Healing in the Hood's Drug-Free Community Project Coordinator.
I'm able to bring about awareness about the opioid epidemic in our county, in Mississippi County, and I'm able to, distribute Narcan for those who are in an overdose state. And then I also do the research, to bring about awareness for the trending drugs that are in our county, how to use them, why they're using them, and how to stop using them.
Last week we went to West Memphis School Academies. We presented a presentation on substance abuse. We had a young man that was getting ready to go buy a Whippet. He was getting ready to try it. He was going to spend his money on it. He said he was going to use it. And Whippet is nitrous oxide, which causes freezing of the lung, freezing of the throat, things like that. And the young man, after hearing the presentation about the dangers and the effects of it, he changed his mind. If we could save a life, if we can just save one life from presenting, and to me, that's the greatest reward of all things.
There were also representatives from Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership who presented at the meeting. They provided stats on several drug prevention programs that have been put in place across the state and gave insight on how community leaders can obtain funding for additional programs.
9 projects.
My name is Tanisha Barnes. I am the Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership Deputy Director. Without the coalitions in the community, we couldn't do what we do. We put out over about $357,000, bringing back into the state about $8.1 million. So the biggest impact has been prevention. Go to the Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership website so you can actually make a difference in your county. What we do is we work for the city and the counties. We ensure that the funding get out, but we can't do it without you. We are going straight up into the communities, asking for you to tell us, what do you want us to do with this funding?
Hoping to see that as we educate our community educate our children, and we start to see a decrease in vaping, we start to see a decrease in popping pills, and which leads to other things like violence and bullying and those type of things that we're seeing in our schools. So hopefully with educating our community, getting the word out, disseminating information, we could change what's going on in our community. We could change what's going on in our schools and community be better.